So here's the passenger side floor mat. It does fit nice and perfect with the carpet itself and the body. There's no cutting required, so that's always a great thing. Of course, you could just pop it on top, lock it, and it's not going anywhere. One thing I do like about these floor mats compared to other aftermarket and compared to the stock Tacoma floor mats is that it has this lip. This lip will help fight against the debris that falls onto the actual carpet of the vehicle. So this is great because it helps keep it in the floor mat instead of traveling outside of it, which we all know is a headache once we attempt to vacuum. And yeah, you could just pop these out, wash them down. I do work in a muddy field, you can say, and I mean, it's not that bad right now, but you can always just wash it down and dry it, put it back on the vehicle, and you're good to go. It did come with this door jamb protectors, just adhesive. You just remove the plastic, stick it on, and it sits pretty good. Here's the rear floor mats. They go in pretty deep compared to the stock ones I had, so I was happy about that. They do recommend you leave it in the sun for at least 24 hours, and then it finishes or you're able to form it to your vehicle. But if I'm honest, I did not do that, and it's sitting pretty good. This side's a little messy, but here it is. And of course, you could tell which one is the driver's side depending on where this is at. Overall, a great product. I have no complaints about it so far.